Novela sijabule kakhulu ukuthi umongameli unathi la eThekwini. Ngikejabulisa kakhulu umongameli ukuthi akasilahli. Engaqala ukufika kodwa namhlanje kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi is symbolic thina ngoba sekuma election ngomhla ka4 kuNovember and namhlanje sizomukela amalunga amasha aqhamuka eqembini ahlukene. Namhlanje sibe namalunga aqhamuka kwi-IFP, kukhona amalunga aqhamuka kwi-EFF, kukhona abasuka kwi-MK, kukhona abasuka kwi-DA, kukhona abasuka kwi-ANC. It tells you ukuthi abantu from different parties are joining i-Action SA. Bese kuzoba ke engicabanga ubala khona namhlanje ukuthi sijoinwe ukhansela wale ward sikuyona 34. Uyi-ward councillor, wawini ward as independent councillor. So njobe join i-Action SA namhlanje uza nesihlalo sakhe ngoba ngokomthetho sisekelo wezwe ayikho emphoqayo ukuthi kumele aresign ngoba uyi-ward councillor ukhetha umphakathi uhamba nesihlalo sakhe uza ku-Action SA. Okusho eThekwini nje namhlanje sesine-ward ebesingenayo nje-Action SA, sesine-ward esingasho ukuthi i-Action SA govern this ward 34. So now nayo sine-support azoba nayo i-organization enjenge-Action SA. So nje kuma-election sihambela phezulu i-Action SA. Sijabule kakhulu ukuthi uzinzo lukhona kwa-Action SA. Siyabona amaqembu amanye uma ekhetha ama-candidate kuyaliwa kwenziwa into ey'ningi, la sinozinzo. Maduzane nje sizobe sithula ama-candidate e-Action SA. Sobe sithula namakhansela ke azoba ama-candidate ethu eThekwini nakwezinye indawo. Maduzane nje ngaphela inyanga le kuzokwenzeka konke lokho. So sijabule kakhulu nje e-Action SA.
Mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani umuntu njenganje-president wenhlangano ukuthi abuye avakashe ahambe angene kuma-community ngoba sibuka yonke kuyinto eyayikhona kudala even before ma-ruling party bagcinele yena. Kubaluleke kangakanani kule leader esondele.
Kubalulekile mfoka baba, khumbula ukuthi umongameli uthe mangiwe eParliament washo yena wasicela ukucela ungayi eParliament. Wayevele number 1 elistini kumele ahamba eParliament emasola ama-seat. Kwayena uthi cha ucela ukuthi ngoba iqembu alenzanga ngendlela besifisa ngayo kuma election la sidlula kona 2024 ucela ukuhlala enhlakeni alungise inhlaka. Ngicela ubonile ke nje abantu babonile eSouth Africa eqala uhlelo obizwa iGreen Umbrella la khona sicela amaqembu amancane wahlanganisa izinto eyodwa. Waqala waya kwezinye indawo siyabona yakhulu Action SA isinamakhansela ko North West ko Limpopo esesingenawo before. Sothola ngayo iGreen Umbrella njengoba senza namhlanje la okhombisa kusobala ukuthi ukuba nomuntu ogxile lapha enhlakeni phansi kuyasiza ukukhulisa iqembu. Uzokhumbula ukuthi yena uyena mholi weqembu oyedwa ekho omunye osekwahambela imarch yala eThekwini, march and march. Amaqembu abaholi abaningi bayasaba ukuvela ngeyinkinga ebhekene nomphakathi wakithi, but la sinomongameli ongasabi uze emphakathini njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi uzwa bonke bethi siyayisupporta i-initiative ye-illegal immigration against ama-foreigners la ngena imvume, kodwa ababona abaholi bakhona. Ask yourself, amongst all leaders ubani umholi wezepolitiki oseke wayibandakanya nama-march la khona except khuluma khoneni uma beyisupport the struggle esikusona as South Africans ngoba le struggle lesi uzokhumbula Action SA le struggle se-American immigration kade yasiqala thina ukukhuluma abangaphandle abangena imvume asiqali manje yini siqale ngayo siqale Action SA lokhu yakhulunywa ngayo ukuthi cha si against ukugcoka kwabantu abangena imvume ezweni lethu. Kukutshela ke lokhu thina noma sekwi-policy conference saba ne-debate eningi. Ngicabanga ukuthi in this country we are the only party ene clear position nje ku-immigration ngoba si-clear ukuthi asikho against abantu abafika ezweni lethu ngoba izwe lethu ngeliphile lodwa kumele liphile namanye amazwe, kodwa simikhono ukuthi uma ungena ezweni lethu phela ngena ngemvume. Yingakho kuthina kungabanga difficult, akubanga nzima ukujoyina i-march and march samsane nayo ngoba ihambisana nemiso zethu, asikuphoqi. Uyabona abakuphoqayo abantu yabona ukuthi abaholi bakhona abazibetha abanye hayi khona kwi-manifesto thina, but phela shokhombisa phela ukuthi i-manifesto zithembiso zokhetho, akukho ipolicy yabo, i-policy organization abanakho. Khona iqembu elihlala likhuluma hayi manifesto hayi umholi wethu uhlala ekhuluma ngayo kwi-manifesto wakusho kwi-manifesto. I-manifesto is thembiso zokhetho bakwi-GNU, the very same people, but abaku-implement abakuthembisa ngokhetho. Namhlanje usukume abantu South Africa ngikhuluma la earlier ngithe i-march and march akuyona yomuntu eyabantu South Africa, kodwa someone stood up and said I will lead the initiative which is uJustin Ngobese.
Bengisaselapho ngoba ngithi mhlawumbe usilaphe nje kancane kunema-backlashes abonakale khona abantu bafike ukuthi uphakele umthakathi take up i-national march useyenza eyakhe mhlawumbe ngakhe ziwenza imigabhe mhlawumbe phakathi kwakho ukuthi lo nanokubheka bahlangane nopresident uJustin ababulika umuntu ongenayo ulwazi ukuthi kwenzekile lokho kuzokwenzeka.
Look, angifuni mina ungena kakhulu ekuthenini who is taking i-march and march. Njengoba ngisho i-march and march akuyona yomuntu. I-march and march eyabantu base-South Africa. But there's no confusion. The leader of march and march is Jacinta Ngobese. Akushintshi lokho. So no matter who come and go, but umholi we-march and march uyedwa futhi akazi sibe confused thina siyamazi ukuthi uJacinta Ngobese angikhumbuleke futhi uphakela umthakathi ethi he's taking over i-march and march angaze ngimuzwe yabo ngiyakubona ukubhalwayo manje sokukhulunywa okuningi okukhulunywayo vele abantu can interpret izinto ngendlela ehlukene kodwa ngicatha kubalekile la ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi some of us have this wisdom yokubona izinto yabona ipolitiki ihlupha ngani go divide and rule kunabantu divide and rule ngingomunye wabantu oqala wayibona lento le yokuthi why umacingwane engabizwa uma kunemhlangano nomprima wakwaZulu Natal esimningi imhlangano singamboni macingwane kanti siyabona abathathu bayalida ngokuhlukana kwabo kule initiative akushintshi ukuthi ukuhamba bathathu banje sibeholi march and march bonke cha umholi march and march bini uMangobese akushintshi lokho kodwa behamba ndawonye kanje mase bemhlanganweni noprima wakwaZulu Natal usuyabona khona ongabizwa ngathi mangibhala ke ngiyibuza lembuzo le ngaphendula laphendulwa ngayo yabo kwakhona abasho kwabo ngendlela abakusho ngayo nomunye osho ngendlela osho ngayo namanje ke mase kunemhlangano nomongameli angiyazi yabizwe kanjani futhi angandaba nayo mina ngoba angihlangene nayo
upresident useyiyona le part ye divide and rule isho
ayenziwa upresident yedwa I can tell right now iliqala kwaZulu Natal i-divide and rule mina ngayibona iqala yenziwa uNduna kwaZulu Natal let's divide and rule and abaholi abathi baku-civic organization njengalabo esikhuluma ngabo must understand ukuthi these politicians and their friends where they were maqala i-march and march uyabona and futhi angisho ngibangela mfethu uyabona akumele sibangele namsebenzi uyabona mina ezumncwango ne-Action SA uzokhumbuleka ukuthi I was in the forefront of even to keep ama-illegal foreigners ayirun ama-spaza shop ema-clinics emazibhedlela zakithi I was leading that process ingangabikho i-march and march I was in mawubeka umlando uyakuveza ukuthi yena I was there mina myself angibizanga umuntu angikwenza ngedwa ukhipha ama-illegal foreigners but angikwazi bese ngithatha amandla kaJacinta Ngobese uqhamuke yena ngo-24 March wathi guys asihlanganeni lempi inkulu nakhona ebona into engiyenza kwaNongoma naseNewcastle ukuvala ama-stock shop but akushintshi ukuthi namhlanje i-issue illegal immigration is a hot topic not only South Africa internationally it's because of uMangobese her initiative ayiqalile so sonke ke angikholwa ukuthi kumele sithina ubani wenzana as individuals let's support and I think kwesinye isikhathi mfethu efuneka ngisho mfethu asivuma uholwa momholi holeka phela ingakho mina ngumholi wa-Action SA kodwa mangifike emashini ye-march and march kufanele ngivume uholwa ubani uMangobese ngoba uyena umholi we-march and march okwami isostep kufanele ngazi irole yami ngoba masikompete ngobuholi nami ngine-role yami yabo ngila ku-Action SA ezohlala e-province mase kukhona mina hayi ngu-number 1 mase khona uHerman uba phambi kwami kodwa uMherman engekho kusifundazwe I'm number 1 so mangifike emashini ye-march and march I give space ubani uMangobese ingakho ngizongibona iqoqi bese-Action SA mina emashini ye-march and march ngoba ngiyayihlonipha into ethi lento ye-march and march and bafuna ukuthi bayisuse ipolitiki kuyona yes I'm a politician and I'm supporting the initiative ye-march and march and ngizoqhubeka futhi ngibasupport mina ngoba ngimi ne-principle angihambi namuntu lo msindo khona akunandaba nawo ngiyakufuna ukukhuluma kodwa my message to these leaders these politicians anibiza ama-boardroom awabona abangani benu they are here to divide you they are not here to unite you ngoba ubantu abafuna ukununite ngabanibiza nonke bahlalise phansi sonke kusuka la KwaZulu-Natal mabenibiza abanibizi nonke futhi into ekhona ukuthi asikumukele ukuthi yes they are different organization nomunye manje imashi yakhe imashi yakhe kodwa futhi umenza imashi yakhe umuntu akasho imashi yakhe leyo angathi manje yabonke abantu imashi South Africans ahlangana ndawonye mina ke ngikwaziyo abake bangimema angiwazi lamanye amamashi ngoba ayikho ngimema kuona engiyangamenywa kuyona ngatshelwa kuyona ukuthi yenzeka yama march and march yona ke I have ama invitation makune march and march I get invited la manje angiwazi ukwenziwe kanjani ngemose kwenziwa sigcwele abantu ukuthi sokwenziwa abizwa kanjani angazi so ngiyakulana ngibizwe kona so kungathiwa ngoba bengibona abantu kwama march bese bethi ha umncwango pho wayengayila eyakulawe march and march ingoba march and march ngine proof every march abayenzayo bangibhalela mayikhona ngine proof ukuthi uba lencwadi bangithumela yona bese ngiyama kufune ngiye lapho ngoba mangisuke ngiavailable ngiyaya maye available angibikho futhi kuyona kodwa ngifisa ukusho ukuthi South Africans asibambaneni ahlanganeni singavumi ukuhlukaniswa osopolitiki lento ayikho ngopremier ayikho ngopresident inge South Africa and I can tell you both premier and the president if they want to deal in the immigration issue ngabadila nayo abanandaba nayo even the very same parties that abarepresentayo bobabili eThekwini sesifake 3 motions ukulungisa isimo seThekwini they've been voting against those motions if ngampela today upremier uqhama eclaim as if iIFP is solely behind a fight against illegal immigration yina ngakaze akhulume ukuthi iIFP eThekwini must support ama motions safaka emotion lapha yana ukuthi akwakho unit ezobhekana ngqo neissue ya illegal immigration ama foreigners adela ama building edolobheni that are hijacking our buildings that motion ayizange iphase ngenxa ukuthi iIFP neANC they voted against that motion bene EFF safaka emotion yokuthi economy esema township abaphuma bangaphandle bangena imvume it must be owned by 100% South Africans that motion ayiphasanga ngoba kwaba yibo abavote against that motion we ANC ne IFP those parties now abaholi bakhona abakwazi nomhla ukuqhamuka as if they care about the issues khala ngayo abanandaba nayo okwabo nje manje ukudivide abona manje nje wathi ku division ekhona ba excited bajabuleke manje ke ngoba this is what they wanted to achieve and I think our leaders la ama civics la sikhuluma ngawo enza mistake okuvumela ukudivide osopolitiki enosopolitiki indlela ophatha ngayo is divide and rule right now they're going to rule because they've divided the civics la besithi simphambi kwawo